mediation or negotiation are the prime objects of litigation in the world today. Court litigation has increased a lot. Crores of cases are pending in India. There may be less number of cases pending in other parts of the world, but courts are busy. Courts take their time. Courts also do not administer justice, according to me, impartially, honestly, independently, because the appointment of judges is somehow affected, according to me. I may not be right. Therefore, it is desirable, it is necessary, it must happen for an individual to lead a better life by finishing complications, problems, dispute at the first level. And the first level is the negotiation, and the second level is the mediation.